Connecticut-based Synectic is a full-service product development company with low-volume pilot production focused exclusively on design, research, development, and the manufacturing of medical devices and consumer products. Synectic designs for clinical relevance, manufacturability, ergonomics, and cost efficiency. They specialize in design engineering, intellectual property, preclinical testing, and manufacturing.
As an engineer, it's really important when our clients come to us with a well-developed product idea. The first thing we do when we work with them is put together product development specifications to make sure that the entire team is on the same page going forward. For us, I think the most important things in the process are the product spec, a good CAD and drawing package, and then tolerance analysis and working into design for manufacturing.